we will be filing at least cases at least against 3 sitting or former senators, at least 3 next week.
And I don't know if you can categorically answer also or support the statement of Secretary Vince Tizan of the DPWH. Are you hoping that there will be personalities involved in this flood control mess na makukulong on or before Christmas season? Do you think may makulong?
Well, that's a premature statement. I cannot influence the other parts of the government. We are only recommending.
Thank you.
But of course, I think everybody wishes that.
Thank you.
So good morning, sir. I'd like to pick up lang yung point yun. You said that there's going to be maybe 3 senators, but they've already filed referrals against 2. Senator Estrada and Senator Villanueva. Iba pa po yung tatlo na to?
Yes, at least 3.
So, total would be 5 so far?
Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5, yes.
How about Congressman? You've had Saldico and person of interest.
We already filed against Saldico.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, are there more congressmen?
I cannot, it's premature right now, yes.